Quick video of how to replace the deflection amplifier on a FIB 200. Deflection power supply, these units right here, put 150 volts. If you were to trace the cable in the back, it probably goes into this mess of cables here, but it is going to go to a unit that looks like this. And sometimes it's hanging off the back of the chamber here, sometimes it's in the crevice there, but either way, it's always on the back of the FIB 200. So let me show you here real quick. First thing to do is, if you haven't done it, turn off the high voltage and the source. Now I'll turn off the high tension. That's really the only thing you have to do to prepare for this. Once we go back here, next thing we do for safety is let's just turn both of these power supplies off. And then we'll come to the deflection amp and we'll start disconnecting the cables. The only cable on here that has high voltage is the other end of the deflection power supply. That's 150 volts, but we turn that power supply off. So first thing, these are all mostly slide lock connectors. So you would slide it, pull this off. This column actually, or the cable actually goes up to the column up here. And so it mounts onto here with some screws on the back. I can't really do it with one hand, so let me take it off and then we'll come right back. Okay, so I got it off, and the way it mounts is these slide type holes slide onto those screws. So you just lift it up and it should come right off. Look at the back here. Got 6 cables. And they're slide lock. You just take each one off. They cannot be cross connected. They're all different. Be careful with this connector here. This is a little coax. It does just pull out, but it is a sensitive connection on that PC board. So you take those cables off, switch out your deflection amps, and connect everything back in. One thing to make sure is make sure you have this label. Almost for sure we sent the correct one, but it needs to be XP Systems. There's a different deflection amp for an XL based microscope, and they will get damaged if you put one the wrong one on your system. Then you just simply come cables connected back. Just switch on your power supplies. Once they boot up here, just verify about 150 volts and 50 milliamps of current on each one. That is normal, 50 to 60 milliamps. Don't forget to connect the cable back to the front, and then you can go back to turning your high tension back on.